The IQi Series precision electric screwdriver is an intelligent fastening solution that delivers unmatched efficiency, precision, and reliability in quality-critical applications. With a closed-loop transducer and advanced torque and angle control strategies, the IQi Series screwdriver helps to detect fastening issues in real time, reducing production disruptions, minimizing rework and costly defects, all while increasing productivity and enabling smoother workflows. Featuring the industry's first configurable tilt angle control, it ensures precise tool alignment, preventing cross-threading and maintaining joint integrity. Thanks to live trace technology, operators gain more control by viewing torque curve results in real time. With IQ Stop selected, the IQi Series screwdriver redefines the tightening process by increasing speed, efficiency, and accuracy without compromising quality. Plus, the multicolor status being ring light lets users easily verify their work so they can work smarter and faster. Easily program and troubleshoot from the controller or anywhere. With 100% remote access, setup is faster and flexible. The IQi Series screwdriver is available with real-time torque measurement in transducerized tools or a cost-effective high-speed solution in current control tools. With an ergonomic, lightweight design and low torque ranges, the IQi Series screwdriver easily adapts to meet assembly needs. The IQi Series precision electric screwdriver delivers more than precision. It brings intelligent control and confidence to every fastening operation.